I'm Bruce Hawkins from Hawks Motorsports. This is something that you guys have been asking for a while in terms of a complete swap kit for your third generation F-body. What we wanted to do was give our customer the ability to be able to purchase one part number, custom tailored and designed to the vehicle that they're going to be swapping an LSX engine into, and have everything come complete on one single purchase. This particular drivetrain we have here behind us is an LS2 6-speed from a 2006 GTO. As you can see in the picture, and I'll walk around and explain some of the details, a 2005 and 2006 GTO is a 24-tooth crank sensor engine. They do have a drive-by-wire throttle body originally. When you're going to put it back into an earlier model muscle car, I personally like the feel of a drive-by cable throttle. So on this particular drivetrain, we went back and changed to a drive-by cable throttle. We changed to the appropriate LS1 PCM from a 98 to 2002 F-body, along with a custom wiring harness that makes it completely applicable to put in and have drive-by cable versus drive-by wire. This particular swap kit for the customer that's purchasing also opted for the cold air intake, the complete fuel line kit that comes with regulator, fuel lines, complete fuel pump, and hot wire kit. This particular drivetrain also has the full swap headers along with the custom Y pipe, transmission cross member, torque arm mount, and our Hawks billet T56 shifter. When you're doing a swap from a 2004 to 2006 GTO, the F-body shifter offers the correct shifter alignment as far as when you're sitting in the car ergonomically to place the shifter in the correct location. A small detail is when you change from a GTO shifter to an F-body shifter, you do have to change the upper offset lever below the shifter internal in the transmission. This is something we do here for you on a master swap kit, so you the customer don't have to worry about those small details. Going on around, again, we offer the PCM and the complete LS swap custom wiring harness here from Hawks Motorsports. And depending upon how this particular engine is set up or your particular engine that you choose, the computer program can be custom tailored to whatever cam and head package you have, supercharger, and or whatever power adder, whether it be turbo or something of some different matter. Moving on around, everybody wants AC. Down here in the South, it gets pretty hot. So we have your complete LS AC swap kit, which comes with an AC K-member notch, as well as a complete custom AC line kit. And again, going back over to the front side of the motor, we have the custom engine mounts and transmission cross member. This allows you to retain your stock K-members and basically get your engine bolted in with no worries. I think this covers a lot of this particular drivetrain, but something else I'd like to talk to you about is, depending upon what vehicle you're putting your motor into and what kind of power levels you want, we here at Hawks Motorsports and the sales team can custom tailor any configuration of any LS-based motor to work perfectly in your particular vehicle. So don't hesitate to give us a call, talk to one of the salesmen, and let us help you turn your ride into the ride of your dreams. Again, I'm Bruce Hawkins, and we appreciate your business. Thank you.